Hello and welcome to Ayesha Apron Pops. This is a cooking channel. I hope you like my videos, and if you do, please subscribe and like my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. My name is Ayesha and I welcome you to the series of simple cooking which is based on curry cooking. The recipe which I am about to show you today is a very simple recipe. It is actually an Asian. The recipe which I am about to show you today is a very simple sabzi vegetable recipe which is called Aloo Gobhi Tamatar. Let's start making it, and for that I am gonna heat a non-stick pan and I'm gonna add some oil to it. By the time the oil is getting hot, let's cut the potatoes. You know, for aloo gobi, we need to cut the potatoes in big cubes. To the oil, I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. Now add the chopped onions. Mix well. Add some salt according to the taste. And cook till the onions are golden brown in color. The onions have started turning into golden brown color, as you can see. Now at this point we are supposed to add the ginger garlic paste to our curry and mix well. While the ginger and garlic paste and onion paste is nicely sauteed, add some tomatoes to it. Give it a stir. Lower the heat and cover. Cook the tomatoes till the tomatoes are pulpy. Okay, let's check if the tomatoes are cooked. Yes, they are nice and pulpy. Now we're gonna add all the powdered spices, which is turmeric powder. Now we're gonna add all the spices, powdered spices, that is. We have turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and mix well. Add the diced potatoes and the cauliflower florets. Give it a mix. I suppose you should add roasted kasoori methi leaves, dried leaves, if you have at home. I don't have them right now with me, otherwise I would have added some to the dish. It gives a very nice smell, aroma to the gobi, aloo. Add some water to your curry and mix well. Lower the heat and cover till it is properly cooked, till the cauliflower and the potatoes are done. Aloo Gobhi Tamatar is ready, and it is a very simple recipe. Please do try it at home.